In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image collage in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the generator, guide the style, and produce clean, cohesive collage-style results. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the image section to reveal the creative options. This hover action is a quick way to surface the tools we'll need without digging through menus. Next, click Create Image. This opens the main workspace where you'll configure the model, style, prompt, and output settings before generating your collage. Before typing your prompt, switch the model or character. Use the switch at the top of the panel to change which model powers the generation. Different models interpret prompts differently, so picking the right one makes a big difference in realism, color, and composition. From the model categories, choose one that suits your goal. For a convincing collage made from realistic photos, the photorealistic category is a great fit. Inside that category, select the Realistic Stock Photo option. This preset favors natural lighting, true-to-life textures, and clean details, ideal for a collage that looks like it came from a modern stock library. Now craft your prompt. You can type something like photo collage of travel memories, realistic photos, cohesive color grading, clean borders. Feel free to add specifics such as mood, locations, or a color palette. Mentioning cohesive color grading helps unify the tiles, and noting clean borders signals a tidy layout. Keep your language clear and concrete so the model knows exactly what to prioritize. If you have a visual reference, you want the collage to echo, click, image to image. This is especially useful when you have a layout idea or a hero image you want to inform the style. Pairing a reference with your prompt helps the model follow composition and tone more closely. Adjust the aspect ratio to match where you'll use the collage. Square is versatile for feeds, landscape works well for banners and slides, and vertical is perfect for stories and shorts. Choosing this now helps the model arrange elements with the final canvas in mind. Set the number of images. More images give you broader variety to choose from, while fewer images return results faster. Pick the balance that suits your workflow. Finally, click Create and wait for the results to render. When your images appear, scan for strong storytelling, even spacing, and consistent color across the tiles. If something feels off, refine your prompt or model choice and try again. With a couple of quick iterations, you'll have a polished image collage ready to share.